What's up guys, it's the FixBroz, and we got the bed sanded down. We got the bed lifted up on a couple extra pallets so that it would be easier to paint. Speaking of painting, today we're going to be painting the bed. So right now, let's go ahead and start taping everything off to get quicker to the painting step. Alright guys, now that we've got everything taped off on the truck, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start putting on the clear sheet over all the areas that we want overspray to go on. Alright guys, so after a couple hours of work, we got everything taped off. It's all ready to get painted. But right now, I'm going to use some wax and grease remover to clean up all the surfaces and get to painting. Alright guys, so now that I got everything wax and grease removed, we're ready to start painting. So over here, we are going to be blending the paint. We had to scuff it with a scuff pad carefully so that we can blend the paint. We're going to blend the paint right there on the bottom and on the top over there. So first, we're going to throw on a sealer primer onto all the areas because we want to cover up all the little patches of body filler and metal. And then after that dries up, we're going to start throwing the paint. So here I'm mixing up the sealer primer, and since the sealer primer is gray, it's going to cover up all the original paint, and the paint that we got is kind of expensive, so we're going to use some silver paint from a Nissan that we did a couple years back. So after we do the sealer primer, we're going to throw on that silver paint to cover up all the sealer primer, and then we're going to throw on the paint that we got for the truck. Not to waste a lot, we're going to use the silver paint that we have over here. Alright guys, so here I got my sealer primer, and right now I'm going to throw on all the areas that have body filler and metal coming through the primer or paint. Let's get started. spray the sealer primer. We're gonna have to clean up the gun, put in the paint, and then start spraying it onto the car. So here I got some silver paint that we're gonna spray the primer with to start off. We don't wanna waste a lot of original paint for the truck, so I'm gonna use this as a beginning coat, so that coat would match up way easier. Alright guys, it's the next morning and right now I'm going to start spraying the base coat for the truck. Yesterday we did spray the Nissan paint. It's basically like a cover-up coat for the primer, so we won't have to waste as much OEM paint. So let's get started by spraying the base coat. Alright guys, so here it is. We got it done. We got the base coat sprayed, but right now we have to go somewhere, so unfortunately we can't spray the clear coat right now, but in a couple hours, well, we're gonna let it cure and dry and then we're gonna come back. Then we're gonna spray the clear coat on here. Hopefully it's gonna turn out good. Never forget these masks. I have one too. You're gonna get sick if you don't wear it. Also, all of this got painted and it's all done. So we'll catch you guys when we're gonna be spraying the clear coat. Alright guys, it's about 7 hours later and we're back here at the shop ready to spray the clear coat right now, and you don't have to wait 7 hours, it's just that we have to go somewhere to a party. But check it out, this looks really good. But right now, let's go ahead and mix in some clear coat and start spraying it onto the car. Alright guys, we finished painting. It looks really good, except one big fail that I had right here. I sprayed too closely and it made bubbles. You can see two lines right there. One right there and one right there. That's all air bubbles. Hopefully it'll come out. Right here on the cabin part, it looks really good. Look how the paint matched up. I think it looks pretty good.
One run right here.
Yeah, one run right here, but it's actually pretty good that we got a lot of clear coat on here because we can buff the heck out of it. Just a little bit of sanding and buffing and it'll look good.
So that's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Also, follow us on Instagram and also on Patreon. Both links will be in the description. And buy our merch. It's really keeping us warm here. It's really cold out today.
Look at that.
Check that
New
out.
design.
Yeah, that design still is
coming out soon.
Yeah, hopefully, maybe it'll be out when this video is out. Just
Yeah.
click the link below to figure out, and you'll see it right away. Just
I'm wearing this too. It's actually really soft. And it's pretty much freezing here.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you guys next time.